Presenting the Samsung Galaxy A23 Blue, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage with no-cost AMI/additional exchange offers. It comes in color options of light blue, blue, and peach, black and orange. The phone has display of 165.4mm 6.6 inches Full HD+, plus infinitive 90Hz smooth display. It has 50MP quad camera with OIS. It comes with 5000 mAh long-lasting battery. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It supports connector type, USB Type-C. It runs on Android 12.0 OS. It is powered by powerful 2.4 GHz Snapdragon octa-core processor. It also features Bluetooth-enabled, dual SIM and dual camera and built-in GPS.